Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Today we're exploring 6 essential whisks, what they do, when to use them, and a few fun facts along the way. Let's get started. The balloon whisk. The balloon whisk is big, round, and made for incorporating air, best for whipping egg whites, cream, or fluffy batters. Fun fact, the balloon whisk gets its name because its shape resembles a hot air balloon and because it traps air just as efficiently. The French whisk, this whisk is a little more tighter and straighter, giving you more control. It's great for sauces, custards, and anything that needs smooth, steady stirring. Fun fact, French chefs often preferred this style because its shape lets them reach every corner of a saucepan, especially important when cooking delicate custards. The flat, also known as the roux whisk, this whisk sits flat against your pan, making it perfect for roux, pan sauces, and gravies. Fun fact, the flat whisk was designed specifically for stovetop cooking, so you could scrape every bit of flavor or fond off the bottom of a pan. The ball whisk, instead of loops, this whisk has separate wires with weighted tips, perfect for light mixing and reaching tricky bowl corners. Fun fact, because it has fewer wires, the ball whisk is actually easier to clean. And these little balls help break up lumps more quickly than traditional whisks. The coil, also known as the spiral whisk, this compact whisk is ideal for mixing small amounts, especially dressings and quick emulsions. Fun fact, the coil whisk originated in Scandinavia, where cooks often had to mix sauces directly in the corners of smaller, deep pans. The dough, aka the Danish whisk, this rugged tool cuts through thick dough without clogging. Perfect for bread doughs, cookie dough, and rustic batters. Fun fact, the Danish whisk is over 100 years old and still used by artisan bakers today because it mixes dough effectively without ever overworking it. And that's your whisk tour. 6 tools, each with a unique purpose and a fun little story. Using the right whisk makes cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.